Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Stack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to keep games on your home screen on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So this is very simple because they added a setting for it. Just go to the application and press options on it. Here's Call of Duty. We can just go to where it says keep in home, checkmark this, and it will never rotate back into your game library. So we can open up a game now and then go to the option and it should stay on there. So let's go to Rocket League, open up this game so it downloads. Then if we go back, it will be rotated to the front. So Rocket League should display on here once I play it. Then I can press options on it and go to keep in home. And then it's always going to be on my home screen. Now there's only a certain amount of games that we can keep on here. I believe it's like 7 or something like that. Or maybe a little bit more. But if you have it set as keep in home, it'll always be there. So just go and look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.